What's something people don't know about 3D design? Once upon a time, in a world brimming with creativity and innovation, there were builders and makers with dreams as vast as the sky. They discovered a magical tool called CATIA, a gateway to the enchanting realm of 3D design. CATIA wasn't just any software. It was a digital workshop where their wildest imaginations could take solid form. Whether they dreamt of sleek airplanes, powerful cars, or revolutionary gadgets, CATIA gave them the power to bring those visions to life. Picture this. It all began with a simple sketch, a few lines on a digital canvas. With a click and a drag, those lines transformed into a three-dimensional object right before their eyes. That was the magic of CATIA. It was like sculpting with digital clay, giving them the power to create anything they could dream up. But wait, there was more to this tale. CATIA wasn't just about appearances. It was about engineering brilliance. It helped them analyze their designs, ensuring they were strong, efficient, and ready for the real world. They could test their creations virtually before a single piece of metal was cut or a drop of glue was used. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner designer and build the future, buckle up. We're about to embark on an incredible journey into the heart of CATIA, where we'll turn you from a beginner into a 3D design pro one step at a time. Get ready because things are about to get very interesting. You need to hear this if you're an engineer or designer. Imagine a world where the most incredible creations come to life with precision and innovation. What if I told you that CATIA is the magic behind it all? Picture this, a Boeing 787 soaring through the skies, a Formula One car racing at breakneck speeds, and even a space shuttle launching into the cosmos. CATIA is the unsung hero behind these marvels. In the world of aerospace, where every detail matters, CATIA ensures that airplanes are designed with utmost safety and precision. It's the tool that engineers rely on to bring their visions to life. From the sleek fuselage to the powerful engines, CATIA helps craft every component with incredible accuracy. It's like having a digital blueprint that guarantees everything fits together perfectly. Now, let's shift gears to the automotive industry. Those sleek sports cars and rugged SUVs you see on the road? CATIA played a major role in their creation. Designers use CATIA to sculpt aerodynamic curves, optimize engine performance, and even simulate crash tests to ensure passenger safety. It's a game changer in every sense. But the story doesn't end there. In the realm of industrial design, CATIA empowers engineers to create cutting-edge machinery, from robotic arms that work with pinpoint accuracy to massive wind turbines that harness the power of the wind. So as you can see, CATIA isn't just some fancy software. It's the driving force behind innovation in some of the most demanding industries on the planet. And the best part? You're about to become a part of that legacy. If you're a designer, then you need to master your control panel in CATIA. In the heart of our digital workshop lies a powerful control panel, brimming with buttons and menus that might seem daunting at first glance. But fear not, for we shall break it down into bite-sized pieces. Imagine the CATIA interface as your personalized control panel, your command center for 3D design adventures. At the top, you'll find your toolbars like trusty toolboxes, each filled with specific tools for different tasks. Need to draw a line? There's a tool for that. Need to extrude a surface? Boom! There's a tool for that too. Next, we have our menus, the master organizers of CATIA. They group similar commands together, making it a breeze to find what you need. Want to save your work? Check the File menu. Need to adjust your display settings? The View menu has you covered. And finally, we have our workspaces, like different rooms in our digital workshop, each tailored for specific design tasks. There's a workspace for sketching, another for part design, and yet another for assembling all your amazing creations. It's all about staying organized and focused. Now, I know it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, navigating CATIA will be as intuitive as using your smartphone. You need to watch this if you struggle with sketching in CATIA. Welcome to Section 4, From Lines to Life, Sketching in CATIA. Imagine you're an artist, standing before a blank canvas, ready to bring your vision to life. In CATIA, sketching is where the magic begins, transforming simple lines into intricate designs. It's like putting pen to paper. But here, our paper is a digital canvas, and our pen is a precise digital tool. Think of sketching as laying the foundation for your three-dimensional masterpiece. Every curve, every line, every circle you draw forms the blueprint for your creation. CATIA offers a treasure trove of sketching tools, from simple lines and arcs to complex splines and ellipses. But here's the twist. As you sketch, CATIA ensures precision with constraints. These constraints act like digital guidelines, making sure your lines are perfectly horizontal or vertical, your circles are flawlessly round, and your arcs are smooth as silk. And don't fret about mistakes, because CATIA has your back. You can easily edit your sketches, move lines around, and adjust dimensions with pinpoint precision. It's like having a digital eraser and a ruler all rolled into one. So let your creativity run wild and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you practice sketching in CATIA, the more confident you'll become in bringing your ideas to life. If you're a designer, then you need to master part design in CATIA. Picture this. You've just mastered the art of sketching. Now it's time to elevate your skills and dive into the fascinating world of part design. This is where your two-dimensional sketches come to life, transforming into solid three-dimensional objects ready to make an impact. Imagine this. You've just finished sketching the front panel of your dream gadget. With just a few clicks in CATIA's part design workspace, you can extrude that flat sketch into a tangible three-dimensional object. You can give it depth, thickness, and even carve out intricate details effortlessly. But the magic of CATIA's part design doesn't stop at simple extrusions. You can revolve your sketches around an axis to create elegant cylindrical shapes, sweep them along a path to craft complex curves, or even loft them between multiple profiles to create organic, free-flowing forms. And the best part? CATIA allows you to modify your three-dimensional models in real time. You can easily change dimensions, add fillets and chamfers to smooth out sharp edges, or even cut holes and pockets with pinpoint accuracy. So get ready to unleash your inner engineer and start building the future, one part at a time. Now that you've taken the first steps into the world of part design in CATIA, why stop here? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials, tips, and tricks that will take your design skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and share it with your friends who are also passionate about 3D design. Together, we can build a vibrant community of innovative designers eager to learn and grow. Your journey to becoming a CATIA expert starts here, and we can't wait to see what you'll create next.